The COVID-19 pandemic has demonstrated that communities need to adopt an all-hazards approach to build more resilient communities. The health disaster quickly evolved into a socioeconomic one with lasting impact, highlighting the additional critical need for a whole-of-society approach to prevent and reduce risk to existing and emerging threats. The Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction identifies the need to reduce risk from biological hazards such as pandemics and other serious disease outbreaks in-country, and member states are required to report disaggregation by these biological hazards. Using the Sendai Framework Monitor to report data disaggregated by hazard, like COVID-19 and other biological hazards, can be helpful for your countries to understand disaster risk, adjust national strategies, and implement multi-sectoral management approaches for complex disasters like COVID-19. To set up COVID-19 as a disaggregation category, the country coordinator should go to Global Targets, Setup, and click on the button Select Hazards. Select COVID-19 from the list of hazards and click Done. Now disaggregated data on COVID-19 can be inputted for relevant targets and indicators under Disaggregation Hazards. Disaggregation of data is optional but may be helpful.